Hello, International Rockets. My name is Anna Fackelman. I work at CISP. I'm the Student Services Coordinator. And today I would like to speak to you about a guide on what to do when you need medical assistance. You know, when you get sick or have an emergency. The first slide that I'm going to show you has two locations of places where you can go to see a doctor. One of them is called the Regency Medical Campus. Is on the left of your screen. At this place is close to Franklin Park Mall. So if you need to get to this place, make sure that you know the routes for the UT buses so you can get there fast. You know, you probably will need to walk like a couple of blocks, but it is very conveniently located. On the right side, there is the Comprehensive Care Center. This location is very close to UTMC, which is the Health Science Campus. At both places, you can have lab work, you can have x-rays, and you can find a doctor to take care of your immediate needs, like when you have a cold or your stomach is upset, you ate something at the cafeteria that didn't agree with you, that kind of stuff. So keep in mind that these two places are conveniently located to you. Both of them, you can ride the UT bus, or you can take an Uber. On the next screen that I'm going to show you is UTMC. This is the hospital that is on Health Science Campus. You go to this place when you cut your finger, when you fell down and broke an arm or broke a leg. God forbid, you didn't break anything. But this is UTMC, is right on Health Science Campus. If you happen to be a medical student or taking science classes at Health Science Campus, this is the place to go because it's very conveniently located to you. However, if you are on main campus, then the next screen is for the Toledo Hospital. The Toledo Hospital is within a mile distance from main campus, is very conveniently located. You can take an Uber, maybe a friend of yours can drive you, but both places have emergency rooms, and just make sure that you have all your identification and your friends, and do alert your RA or your friends, or what's going on with you. It's very important that we know what's going on with you so we can help you if you need help. Now I want to show you a list of symptoms that will serve you as a guide of when to call the doctor or when to go to the emergency room. If you have a persistent or high fever, you should call the doctor. That you have an unusually bad cold, because the change in weather can give you symptoms, you have to adjust to the Toledo weather. You call a doctor if your symptoms last longer than a week. If you have shortness of breath, if you have severe chest pain, of abdominal pain, maybe something you ate at the cafeteria, you call the doctor. Sometimes you might see flashes through your eye, going through your eyes when you are too tired or something. That is not normal. You call the doctor. And the very last ones, if you fall down, especially if you're walking on the ice, after the snow melts and then it gets cold again, and some of the sidewalks are full of ice, be very careful when you're walking. But if you should fall and bump your head, please take those injuries seriously. Call the doctor, maybe even go to the emergency room. Any head injuries take them very seriously. If you have any symptoms following a procedure, like if you have a tooth pull, or if you just had minor surgery and you don't feel well, do call your doctor. You and your doctor will determine whether you have to go to the emergency room or just make an appointment so you can see your doctor soon enough. And for an emergency, please call 911. If you're running around alone and you should fall, always carry your cell phone so you're able to call somebody for help. The phone number for the emergency room is 911. An operator will answer the phone. They will ask for your location, what is the reason for your call, and they're going to tell you that help is on their way. However, if you're on campus and you would rather call the UT police, the phone number is 419-530-2600. They're there to help you, and they will come to the rescue very soon. And as usual, call our offices if you have any questions, Monday through Friday, 8:30 until 5 p.m. Stay safe, stay well, and as always, go Rockets.